I'm Tanya from English Challenges. Today's expression is cut corners. Cut corners means to try to save money on a project. However, this usually means that you're saving money at the expense of quality. Sometimes you need to because of budget. Other times you might choose to. For example, it's not worth using cheap building materials just to cut corners. That could be dangerous and cost us more money in the long run, which is totally true. So sometimes cutting corners does not have any serious consequence. It could be something small. However, when it comes to, like this example, building something, the consequences could be very, very dangerous. So it's very risky in this kind of situation. What about you? Have you cut corners on a project? Did you end up regretting it? And now for a quick quiz. What does cut corners mean? A. Spending less, usually using cheaper materials. B. Chopping off the corners of a cake. Or C. Cutting the edges off of a poster with scissors. If you said A, spending less, usually using cheaper materials, correct. That is the meaning of cut corners.